gonna be a short video, guys. Roll the intro. Overlanders have a little problem when it comes to finding enough room for all the items they will be bringing on their adventures. This problem is extremely visible when it comes to the Santa Cruz and its 4-foot bed length. It's a little more spacious when compared to my Baja, but the little Subaru has something going for it that could really up the Santa Cruz's overlanding game, and that's the addition of a bed extender. This is a universal bed extender I found on Amazon. Although the item was extremely marketed to fit the Santa Cruz, it's evident that this will fit many different vehicles. And it's $200 cheaper than the OEM bed extender, and it gives you a little extra room compared to it. This kit comes with a drilling template to help with the mounting process. Lucky for us, the Santa Cruz comes with pre-drilled and threaded holes, making this install very easy. The holes are covered by a plastic barrier, and you don't even really need to drill for it, as you just need to poke through, and you can even use a pick to gain access to the bolt holes. There's so much packaging! These mounting brackets are not really side specific, but I will have the angled opening facing me so that the bed extender will pull out for removal instead of going forward. The kit also comes with crush washers, but in this situation I do not recommend them. The Phillips head bolts will easily strip out, and the washers may interfere with the locking pin, so I did not use them. The latch inserts will need to be installed so that they face the inner parts of the bed extender. Also, the kit comes with 3 different sizes to secure the extender to the tailgate, and the Santa Cruz is going to require the smallest fitting available. Admittedly, this part will kinda suck, as threading the screw in can be a little annoying. So there is one more important thing that I have to show you guys. You are going to lose access to your trunk space to a certain degree. Doesn't matter how you have it oriented, you're not going to be able to get full access to your trunk space with this thing installed. So it's kind of nice that they give you a quick release system where you just pull the pins and out this thing comes. It's not going to be a big deal for me because as soon as we show up to our campsites, we're going to be removing this thing anyways and have full access to the items that we're going to store inside our trunk space. So just for your guys' quick information. That's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. As always, if you like it, hit that like button on the way out. Otherwise, some other Santa Cruz videos probably going to be linked up somewhere over here. That's all I got for you guys, so we'll catch you in the next one.